Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. Thank you for joining me today. In this episode, I'm gonna do a little bit of spring cleaning and organizing in the shop. I have been very procrastinated lately. I've got projects that I have been working months on that I am still working on, and I'm determined to get them done real soon this month. And so I'm cleaning up the shop, and I'm finding stuff everywhere. So what I want to do is tackle this spot. This is the painting section of the shop. Well, I want it to be the painting section of the shop. I just ordered a whole bunch of 6 inches and 4-inch naps, and these are like 9-inch nap rollers. Like, I don't know why I decided to order a whole bunch from Amazon instead of going to Sherwin-Williams and paying $10 a piece. I got like 12 of them for like $20. So I have a few here that I have collected for other projects that I've gotten and stuff. And I want to, I think, put all of my roller covers in here. Oh, I mean, that's just a mess too, right? And then I can put those brushes right there. Can go over here, and then I can just kind of have all my painting supplies, caulking supplies, that kind of stuff. Anyhow, so I'm just going to start taking stuff out of here and figuring out what needs to go in there. It's probably just going to be kind of a crude video, just like the shelf. Remember this shelf right here? It's serving me well. It's still going strong. It's great. Anyways, I'm just going to put some plywood in there. I'm going to put multiple sections and stuff. And so I have a place to put all my roller covers in and all that stuff. So let's just do it. How many of these things do you really need? 7? 7 too many? Yeah. All right. All right. I just took some 3/4 inch plywood. I cut it to the same height, and I cut it the depth of the shelf here. Put in some pocket hole screws, and I painted it real quickly with black. So now I'm going to figure out how far apart these need to be, and I'm just going to raise the shelf using the height of these pieces of plywood instead of the adjustable holes and stuff. So anyways, and then one more right here somewhere. The little guys. I think that's going to be good for the inside of this right now. I know there might be some wasted space, but there's far less wasted space now than there was just a few minutes ago. So, now it's time to put all my paint supplies, I guess, right here and find new homes for that stuff. And I mean, like, I really don't know why I saved this stuff. Like, it's now kindling, right? Right. To think what's in there. Probably black paint in here from when I painted my Suburban like 5 years ago. I bet it's yeah. We'll see. I think that's bubble fat. Lego. I think that's going to conclude the video for today. I got accomplished what I wanted to get accomplished, and it only took me 5 days to do it. I don't know. Different outfits, you'll see during the video, right? But anyways, that's what it is. That's what we got. All my paint supplies in the right spot where I want them. And then a little more organizing in the cabinets. So anyways, just thought I'd record, make a little video of what I'm working on. And the next step is I think I'm going to build a clamp rack because I've got clamps everywhere and I want something portable on wheels. So maybe this helps you guys get in your shop and start organizing too. I appreciate you all watching, all 123 of you guys. You're the best. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you on the next video. Whatever. Take care. Bye now.